So there's a saying here on YouTube that I've heard quite a bit about audio being half of video. And I would say that my audio has been under-resourced. So we're gonna try and upgrade that here today. If you're new around here, I'm Aaron Ross. I do videos on photo, video, and iPad. So make sure and subscribe. I have more content coming your way. Today, I am upgrading my audio. I have been using this Zoom H1N as my main microphone for this channel for a while now. And while it does the job, I think I can do better. I also want something that is more mobile. So in comes a package that you can't tell what's in it. Since you can see the yellow, I'm sure you know what this is by now, and probably by the thumbnail. I'm sure I put it there too. Title, all those things. But this is the Deity, I actually don't know how to pronounce their company name. I don't know. But the D4 Duo, this is a video mic, a mini shotgun mic that goes right onto the hot shoe, cold shoe of your camera. And it has two microphones on it. So we're gonna open it up and see how this goes. Now opening this up, let's see what we have inside. That looks like some basic paperwork. And there is a microphone itself with both of the dead cats on it, more paperwork, and an empty box. So now I have this cable here, gel silicas. I'll pick those up so the dog doesn't need them. So this microphone is unique in that it has two microphones built into one. And that's one of the main reasons I got this microphone. I also ordered it on Amazon Prime Day and got like a $20 discount or something like that. So make sure and keep an eye out for deals, but I will link this down in the description so you can pick this up and check it out if you would like to. But this is, I'm gonna take both of these off here so we can look at the actual microphone. So here is the actual microphone. And as you can see, there's a microphone on this end and a microphone here. So when I have this on the camera, if I am vlogging, I'm gonna be able to pick up the audio in front of the camera. And then if I turn it around and I'm, making video of something out in front of me, but I'm still talking, this mic in the back is going to be able to pick me up. Now, another benefit to this is that this is going to go directly on my camera and plug in to the mic jack on the camera. Instead of having to record separately here on the H1N and then sync up that audio in post, everything's going to be in one file on the camera. So everything's going to be in sync and I'm not going to have to worry about that. One thing I'm also interested in testing is connecting this to my Osmo Action. Now, this is usually the camera that me and my wife vlog on our Rivet and Roll channel, our travel channel about traveling in the US using our Airstream. And this is usually the main camera that we use for most of our vlogging content. I'm using this for photos and this for our video. And the audio on here is okay, it's usable, but it isn't necessarily great and it picks up a lot of background noise. I'm hoping that by having a shotgun mic directly pointed at us that I might be able to improve that. And DJI on their site sells this little converter so I can pop off this little side door, take this little guy, pop that in there, and this should be able to connect in. Now I do need to get a new case. This is the one that comes with the Osmo Action and does not have a cold shoe slot on it, so I do need to pick up a new one of those. But I'm excited to test this out because I think this is going to make a great little vlogging kit and again step up that audio when we are out in the forest somewhere in the mountains and want something quick and light to carry around, and this is going to improve that. So just to test this out here in the office, why don't I go ahead and add this to the camera, swap it out, and see how it sounds. So 3, 2, 1. So that should be the Deity audio now, so let me know what you think. This is in no way an audio treated room. This is definitely just my office at home. So this is now, arm's length, quite literally, because I am holding the camera. So this would be what it sounds like vlogging, again, indoors, not in a treated room. I'll do a little bit more of an audio test outside, maybe walking around the block, and see how that sounds. One other test I wanted to do was the front mic compared to the rear mic. So right now, obviously, the front camera is going to be picking up most of my audio because it's pointed directly at me. But if I turn this around, and you can see my setup in the other side of my office, now the microphone here on the back should be picking up more of my audio and my voice in the recording here. So if I turn to the side, this is talking at a 90-degree angle to both microphones, and then back around here to the front camera in straight vlogging mode. So here's the audio from the DJI Osmo Action directly. This is the native mics. This is not the Deity. So let me know what you think. Again, audio not treated room, just directly on the camera. And here's the Deity plugged into the Osmo Action. Can you tell a difference? Did this improve that audio experience for you? Let me know. All right, so I'm outside walking around my neighborhood here in Chicago. Right now, this is just the Osmo Action as is. This is what I've mainly been using, like I said, on the vlogging channel, travel channel with my wife. This is what the audio sounds like. This is a relatively quiet day, but there is a little bit of wind as we're getting some storms coming through, but pretty standard for what my vlogging scenario would be like. So now I'll pop in the Deity microphone and see how that goes. All right, now the microphone is plugged in, walking back the other direction. And does it sound any different? Again, this is a very normal scenario for me of how I would use this. Have cars driving by. Is this picking that up? Does it kind of neglecting that since it's not directly right in front of it? Let me know. Does this any better? Give me votes up, votes down. Hit that like button on the video if this is helpful for you. But let me know what you think. That is a first impressions unboxing audio test of the Deity D4 Duo. I'll be using this moving forward and maybe give some additional thoughts down the road. But right now I wanted to just give this quick audio test to you. Let me know what you think, if you were able to tell a difference in the upgrade from the H1N over to the Deity. But I think that's gonna do it for now. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go make some photos. I hope you do too.